Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ellie and today I bring you this video because I didn't know what crochet was and Alice's grandma was the one who taught me, and since then I haven't been able to stop crocheting and I love it. It's something that I do every day now, and I've done like a lot of cute things. I also watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I think if you guys want to learn, I'm able and willing to teach you. So if you want to learn how you can do beginning crochet, just keep on watching. The first thing that we're gonna learn is which crochet hook goes with the yarn. Now this one, as you can see, is very small, it doesn't match. You will see that when you buy the yarn, it will tell you which hook you need to use. For this yarn, we need to use the 6mm crochet hook. As you can see, it's a perfect match. Now we're gonna learn how to do a slip knot. Now you're gonna put the two yarns next to each other. Now the right side you're gonna pass under the left side, then in top, and you're gonna see that you're gonna have two holes, one in the top, one in the bottom. You're gonna pass that yarn through the second hole and you're gonna pull that. Then you're gonna place your crochet hook inside. You're gonna pull that yarn and you see how easy it moves and it gets loose. Let's learn how to hold the yarn. Now you're gonna wrap that yarn around that finger so it can be easier to make stitches or to do any work. Now let's hold the project and we're gonna hold it with these two fingers so it can be easier. Now we have a loop right here and we're gonna learn how to make chains. To make chains, you're gonna wrap that yarn around the hook and you're gonna pull it through the loop. If you're a beginner, I would recommend to make a lot of chains so you can practice. And I'm gonna work with 10 chains. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's learn how to make a slip stitch. For this, you need to chain one more because you're working with 10 chains. And if you want to have 10 stitches on the end of the row, you need to have one extra. Now we're going to place our hook in the second chain from the hook. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull that yarn through both loops. The first one is going to be a little bit hard, but after that one it gets easier. Now you see we just put a stitch there. Now we're going to go to the next chain and we're going to keep doing a slip stitch through all the chains. After you finish the last one, you can pull that yarn so your project doesn't get loose, and you always want to count your stitches to see if you still have the 10 stitches that you start with. Let's learn how to do single crochet. For this, you also need to chain an extra loop. Now you're gonna pull your hook through the second loop from the hook, yarn over, and you're gonna have 2 loops remain. Now you want to yarn one more time and pass that hook through both of those loops. Now you want to keep doing that until you have your 10 single crochet. Let's learn how to do half double crochet. For this, you need to chain 2 extra loops and you're gonna yarn over before placing that hook on the 3rd stitch from the hook. Then you're gonna have 3 loops. You're gonna yarn over one more time and pass the hook through those 3 loops. And you wanna keep doing all that until you have 10 half double crochet. Let's learn how to do double crochet. For this, you need to chain 3 extra loops and you're gonna yarn over and you're gonna place your hook on the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over and pass it through. Then you're gonna have 3 loops, yarn again and pass through the first 2 loops. Then yarn one more time and pass it through the remaining 2 loops. And you're gonna keep doing that until you have 10 double crochet. We're gonna learn how to make a magic ring. For that, you're gonna yarn around your finger. Then you're gonna get your crochet hook and place it under that first yarn, and you're gonna get that second yarn and you're gonna have a loop. Then you're gonna yarn over and pass that through that loop. Then we're gonna start making single crochet, and we're gonna do a total of 6, and you're gonna go inside that circle and do a regular single crochet. Once you reach the end, you're gonna go through that first single crochet and you're gonna make a slip stitch. Then we're gonna pull the tail so we can close that circle, and you can count them to see if you have 6 single crochet. If this one was a little bit hard for you, there is a second option, and for that you need to chain 2. Then you're gonna place your hook on the second chain from the hook and you're gonna make 6 single crochet. Once you reach the end, you're gonna make a slip stitch in that first single crochet that you made. Then you're gonna pull on the tail to close that circle, and you're gonna count to see if you have 6 single crochet. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned and enjoyed this time with me. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to show some support, you can go ahead and subscribe, and also click on the bell so every single time that I post a new video you can get a notification and be the first one to see it. I hope to see you in my next video.